Finding a good autoresponder was always a difficult task. Whether you had to integrate your own SMTPs, your own sending servers, it was all just a too complicated process. Or you'd have to pay huge monthly fees. With ProfitSend, we got rid of all of that. We gave you a sending server, separate IPs. You will have your own IP that you're going to send emails from, your own IP reputation. We even integrated a sending server for you. We're on the main dashboard right here, so let's just go through all of the features really quickly and we'll see how everything works together. First up, we have the campaigns. Let's just create a new campaign. So we fill in all of the details, we then go to our templates. Here in our template, we can edit anything we want. We also have the opt-out form at the bottom. It's all drag and drop, really nice, really smooth. We can edit anything we want depending on our needs for our email. Add dividers, button, footers, progress bars, and we even have more panels, material boxes, navigation bars. Anything you want to make your emails look exactly how you want them. Of course, we have all of the autoresponder features like tags. You have separate layouts you can use. Once you have everything done, you just save and close. And then you schedule your email. We're just going to schedule it right now, and we can see everything right here. You can also preview it, then send it. We can do whatever we want. Just click on send, and let's quickly see our automations and then lists. So at automations, you can have your own either welcoming automations, either people that didn't open up your email automations, anything you want. Let's just quickly create a demo. Right here, we have the automation layout, and we can see that it's all again, just drag and drop, just click and click, and we can have 3 separate actions. Wait, we can set a condition, whether he read an email, clicked on a link, and then we choose the email the subscriber read, depending on the campaigns we send. Once everything's done, we just click on here, we start running the automation, and it will go for us on autopilot. Then we have lists, and I'm just going to quickly go to list 2 right here. Now, for the list, of course, we have everything from settings to creating segments, forms and pages, including subscription forms, unsubscription forms, and update profiles forms. Manage list fields, and you can have your own email verification depending on your marketing needs. Now, what I'm super excited to show you is that you can now send text messages together with ProfitSend. And if we look at all of my subscribers right here, we're going to see that I put in my phone number, and I'm the only subscriber on this list. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to click here, go to SMS, select the list I'm on, and then just type a message. Let's just type ProfitSend is awesome. We just click on send, success, and then we just check our phone. Let's just check our phone really quick, and we'll get back here in no time. You can see I received the exact text message we scheduled. So let's go back to ProfitSend and see what else we can do with this amazing app. So we saw how the SMS text messages are working. If we go to sending, as I said, the sending server is already integrated, but you can add your own email addresses, your own domains, your own tracking domains, even your own email verification servers, and it goes without saying, even your own blacklist. But on top of all of these features, so SMS texting, autoresponder, automations, integrated sending server, we also have a social media bot. Let's just quickly check it out right now. This is our social media bot. So we only have to integrate our Instagram account. As you can see, I created one right here, and I have all of my stats here. My Instagram account isn't really used. You can add as many accounts as you want right here, and then you can create different things. For example, messages or users, you can have your own lists integrated right here. You can send messages. So you can send mass messages to all of your followers, to anyone that you're following, to your users list, to anyone that directly contacted you. And you can select anything you want. For example, you can see a custom text. So we can type our own custom text. You can have a list of preset, list of messages. You can like their posts, use a hashtag, send a photo, a video, or even a post, share a post. Then you have the autopilot. And if we're going to just add autopilot here, we can add a sort of an automation for our followers, be them new followers, people that unfollowed, new following, or unfollowing. We can set this however we want. As I said, we already have preset messages to greet new followers, try to keep unfollowers, or if you're on a vacation. Direct Messenger, you don't need to access Instagram anymore from your device or from your browser. You can directly do it from ProfitSend, and you can chat with all of your subscribers right here. Of course, you can post. You can do your own posts, either scheduled, or you can just do whatever you want. Chatbot, and I'm really excited about this. You can set up your own Q&A to help your customers have a more authentic experience. So if they message you and you set up a list of questions right here, and your own Q&A right here, your customers are going to send your message the answers to these questions. You'll get them and you'll be able to create a more authentic experience for them. Of course, you can set up your own RSS or even add your own images for either messages, the chatbot, whatever you want to make your experience as a user much better. You'd be able to get all of this for a simple one-time fee. Take advantage of this amazing package and I'll see you inside.